how to use your iPhone to track another iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you how you can track someone using your iPhone. Now, first thing you need to do is head over to your home screen like this. You could then swipe down and use the search box and type in Find My and go and open up the Find My app. You can then click on People in the bottom left hand side, and here you'll see all of the people that you can currently track on your phone. So in order to track someone, they first need to share their location on the Find My app. So you can see right here that I'm currently tracking this iPhone, and it will display this person on the iPhone map. Now, to share your location, you'll need to open up the iPhone that you want to track. You can then click on Me in the bottom right hand side. Make sure Share My Location is turned on like this. Click on the plus icon and then select Share My Location. You could then select the contact that you want to share your location with and just click on the tick icon. You could then select how long you want to share your location for. So for example, I could go and set indefinitely. And once you've shared your location, you'll then be able to track the iPhone using the Find My app.